Start of my 98 F-150. It's been sitting here in negative wind chill weather. It's like negative 1 or 2 right now. As you can see, it's been snowed on. It's been sitting here for over 24 hours. So it does have a block heater, but it's not plugged in. So we'll see how easy this thing starts. Here we go. Took it just a second, but it did fire up. It is extremely cold here in Missouri. And it looks like it might take me a few minutes to get this thing cleared off to get going down the road. A little bit of piston ticking sounds, but should go away when she warms up.